It's a pleasure for me to welcome you to this workshop on team science. As many of you know, I actually came to Manchester because I saw a superb opportunity to build teams
I came on this day to learn how to do team science and best practice for interdisciplinary working. The key thing I learned was firstly an activity for how to form teams and understand the terminology that people are using and the sphere that you're working in. I will take away from that a confidence to ask, what do you mean by that? And to understand the language and differences in language use between different members of the teams working on the project. And I look forward to looking at more of the resources as well, so that we can understand not just how to map a project at its very inception, but other tools for team scientists and translators later on in the project lifecycle.
I think the approaches were really interesting. The one that I love anyway is simultaneously writing ideas down, because you don't get that overpowering strong voice from any individual, and other people aren't convinced before they've even decided what they think.
What was encouraging was to hear that I think we currently work in a kind of interdisciplinary team science type approach, but it's actually a thing, it's a real thing, and it's something that we can do, that we can take back, and that we can encourage from the rest of the teams that we work with. And I think we've got a real responsibility and a real opportunity here to make the most of the